everyone, we are going to be using our jelly beans. So make sure that you have nice clean hands before you touch them because you'll probably want to taste one or two when we're all finished. And I have my jelly beans in a bowl. Now remember, we're using jelly beans for 3 different activities. So we need to make sure we can use them for all 3 before they get eaten, okay? So make sure no nibbles until we're all done. And this one we're going to be using some markers or crayons to help with our jelly bean graph. So at the bottom are some empty plain jelly beans. And what we're going to do first is color them to match our colors of jelly beans. So our colors of jelly beans are pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So I'm going to color each of these down here. It's very similar to our jelly bean tally if you did that one yet. We're going to color from the bottom, color those bottom ones. So I'm going to start coloring. And you can do that too. You can use crayons or markers. If you don't have pink, you can use red and just push very lightly on it. It'll make it more of a pink color. And if you put yours in a different order, that's okay. I'm just kind of going in a rainbow order. So I have my pink and orange. Let me show you how that's starting to look. Good job. And then my yellow. And then I'll need green. And remember, if I color faster than you do, that's okay. You take your time and pause until you get caught up, okay? And then I have my blue. Now, I have a very dark blue marker, but the jelly beans are a light blue. It's okay. So if your colors are a little bit different, that's okay. And then purple. And then those last 2 we don't need to use. So here's what our jelly bean graph will look like from the bottom. And then we're going to take a scoop. If you want to do all of them, you can, or go until you can get your first one to 10. But I'm going to take a nice little scoop out here. I'm going to try to make sure I have all the colors. And then what you're going to do, you can do it 2 ways. Let me show you the first way, is you can just match your jelly beans up. So I had 2 pink. So let me see if I can show you this better. So I'll put 1 here on the number 1, and my second jelly bean will go on the 2. Always start at the bottom with a graph. So I'll put 2 down. So I put 1, 2, and then I had 1 orange, and then I have a yellow, so I can put those down. Oops, that jelly bean rolled away. Oh no, get back here, jelly bean. And you can do that with all of your jelly beans. And if you go back and say, oh, I missed a yellow one, you can just add it and go right up above and start at the 1 and go all the way up your graph. And if you didn't pull out a color, that's okay. Sometimes you'll have more of one color than another. Like this one, I had a lot of blue. So you probably won't be able to fit all of your jelly beans on your graph, but you could go up to 10. So that's one way to do it, is to put your jelly beans right on your graph. The other way to do it is, if you pull some jelly beans, is pull one out. Oh, that's yellow. So I'm going to color in 1 yellow square. And then maybe my next one is a blue one. So I'll color in 1 blue square. We'll always start at that 1 down at the bottom. And just do 1 square at a time. And then, oh, look, I got another blue one. So I'll color the next blue square. I'll show you in just a minute how my graph is looking. And then the next one I got was purple. So I'm going to color in my purple square. And I'll start at 1 because I have 1 jelly bean. So here's how my jelly bean graph is starting to look. So you can do that too. You could do it where you just put them down for practice, and then you can color your graph. So that's what you're going to do with your jelly beans. And remember, we don't need those last 2. So have fun sorting jelly beans and putting them on your graph. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.